So I've done a wee repair work, guys. This is the rusted piece that I cut out. Can't remember if I kind of showed you, but basically from here right round is all rusted. So I pieced a piece in here, and then I pieced another piece in, and then my welding's actually not too bad. Got better as obviously I've been doing more today, but burnt myself a few times. That was fun. And then I kind of used this kind of filler stuff that I thought it was like proper filler, but it's like a kind of for more like for bigger holes. But it seemed to do alright. Kind of filled in any of the extra wee bits that I've done. So it came out not too bad, pretty smooth actually. Once I get a bit of primer on it, it should be pretty good. Also done another one here. I've done a wee patch repair. Don't know if you'll see that. Again, obviously it's solid, it's absolutely solid. And I put a wee bit of primer on that just to kind of keep it from rusting. Again, what I'll do is I'll fill that in and then sand it down, and you'll never know the difference. It's not too bad. Yeah, considering the welder I've got, not as if I can do seams with it. It's obviously just little kind of tiny tacks I'm having to do with it. And again, obviously the bit at the back again, wee bit more sanding to do on that, but yeah, excellent.